Hello guys, so this is Obowo in Imo State. Very beautiful place. Look at the ambience, and you can see the vehicles. These vehicles, most of them are coming from Umuahia, even the tricycles. So I'm heading to Umuahia, and I'm very close to the popular Malaysian market, the market across the Imo River, the Onuimo market. So guys, I'm going to drive through the road that is under construction, but this is the Malaysian market, Obatakwaren side. It's a market where people come and sell both foodstuffs. Here you can even buy what do they call them? Even water tanks, plumber accessories. Plumbing. You can see, so somebody even bought a tank. So there are a lot of things they sell here in the market. So I'm going to be driving through the Onuimo to Abia road that is under construction. So you can see how far they have come with the constructing of the road. The road was previously a double lane road, like double lane road, but now they are expanding it into a 4-lane dual carriage road. So I'm very close to the Imo River. I'm going to direct my camera towards one side of the river. So if you look at this signboard, you'll see goodbye from Imo State. So this means we are crossing over to Abia State, and this is the Imo River. So I'm going to show you some part of the river. Like I said, yeah, canoes there. That means people even fish and the rest of them. So as you can see, there is a heavy duty machine there. I think they were placing this I've forgotten what they call this road barrier demarcation. Someone told me what they call it, but I keep forgetting. It keeps escaping my memory. So this is how far they have come with the road. As you can see, they walk here and they are trying to, expand the road into a 4-lane dual carriage, like I said before. And then the work will end in Abia Tower. And then when it ends at Abia Tower there, the next road you are going to be connecting, if you keep on going straight, is the first ever 6-lane road in Umuahia, which is the Agui Boulevard. So from the entrance of Abia State, the Onuimo area, by the time this road is has been completed, once you enter Abia State from Imo, you cross the Onuimo bridge, you'll be welcomed with a good wide road. And then when you keep going down, you will still connect to another wide road as in the 6-lane road, which is the Agui Boulevard. So you can see that the construction of the road did not stop, it did not impede any vehicular movement here. So people are still moving, cars are still moving. It didn't stop, it didn't even cause go slow and the rest of them. If it's the first time you're tuning into my channel, you're highly welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, I really appreciate you all for always making out chance to watch my videos. So this place is called Umuokpara, where this road cuts across. It's called Umuokpara, and some of you may not know Umuokpara is not in Umuahia North though. This is Umuahia South. Umuokpara is located in Umuahia South, LGA. So some of you that are good at predicting, how long do you think work is going to continue on this road before they say it's fully completed? Do you think it's in a month's time? Do you think it's 2 months? With the speed at which they are working here, I believe very, very soon the road will be commissioned very soon, because also they are really working and doing a great job here. What they are doing now, I think, is the asphalting. I think they have passed that stone base level. Is there any other parts of this road that they are still doing stone base? I think that maybe there are some parts too, like you can see there, that you can see stone base is still there. So they haven't poured the asphalt on that side. But maybe if you go there tomorrow, you see another thing. Like I said, they are working very fast. So if you want to see that Abia Tower side, you can kindly watch the video down to the end, because it's still in front of us. I'll just keep going down, and you'll see what is actually going on in those areas. If you haven't subscribed, please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above.